Bismillah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I'm gonna teach you on how to make this router B315s-936 as an access point. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. So now, what we need to do is to first reset the router, provide the pen, and reset the router. There's a hole here near the power socket. Just press it. Enter the light, and enter the light is disappear. Just press for 20 seconds. Okay. Now our router is now resetted. Then connect your router. Here, as you can see, there's a socket here 1, 2, 3, 4. No, so near the line, there is a 1 here, LAN and 1. So we connect this one. Then the other side, you have to connect to our computer. This one. Okay. Now, click your you click your Google browser. Okay, now it's open. See, it's open now. 192.168.1. This is the default IP address of our router. 192.168.8.1. Okay. Then click go to home. Apply the password. The default password is admin, as we can see at the back of our router. Admin. Okay. Now open. So we have to configure update configuration because we cannot continue if you don't update the configuration. So click next. Then you encounter the following problem. You will be able to update the new software. So just click update. Then click update and next. Then you can change this ID if you want. I'm going to make FMS. Then by password. Any password you want. Okay. Then click next. To type the password. The current password of our this is the password of our router to open the router. The default password is our before is admin. So the current password is admin. Then type here another password. So in my case, I'm going to type admin 1. Again, admin 1. Then finish. What we need to do now the password, is open your browser, your router. Internet Explorer, or in my case, is Google Chrome. Click connect, finish. Now type here in the search bar. Then go to wireless LAN and go to the HCP. You can see here the default 192.168.1 is our address, or this is our DHCP IP address. So we need to change this one because our main router, as we connected from main router from the internet, from the outside, is the same as 8.1. So it become complex. Okay. So my internet, as you can see here, we will check this one connected to the main this internet provider, another router. So as we check, as we can see, as we can see, so the geography of my internet, the main internet service provider is 192.168.1. So we have to change this one because it become conflict. The two router connected each other and the same IP address, it will become conflict and then get trouble in the future. So what we need to do is now is change this one to 9. Okay, this server is still enabled, no need to disable, then apply. Okay, so check again. The next time you log in, this router is 192.168.9.1.
So thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.